Hi guys, today I will show you how to install Windows 8.1 on VirtualBox machine. First click New, then type your system name. I will type Windows 8.1. It will be selected automatically. Then click Next. This is the amount of RAM that will be assigned in the new system. In my system it will be 2 GB of RAM. Then click Next. Check create a virtual hard disk now. Create. Check this. Dynamically allocated. Click next. This is the file location and size of the new hard disk that we'll be using in Windows. 40 gigabytes is enough. And the location of hard disk. Click create. Then click check this and click on start. Now you must choose your ISO file of the Windows 8.1. Click start. The installation will start soon. Okay, we now select the language. I will leave as English and click next and click install now. And we just wait for setup to start. Okay, now we need to enter the product key. Now let's click on I accept the terms. Click next. Now click on, if you want a clean install, click on custom install, Windows only. This is the hard disk, 40 gigabytes, and click new. I will assign all 40 gigabytes to C drive. Click apply and click OK. And now select this 39.7 gigabytes. Click next and wait for Windows to finish installation. Okay, Windows is finished the installation, and now you can click on restart now. Don't press any key. We don't want to boot it from CD. Now wait for Windows to start. Okay, Windows will automatically restart. Again, don't press any button to run it from CD. We don't want that. Just wait for Windows to finish this stuff. Okay, then you type here PC name. In example, PC name. or just PC. Click next. I will use Express settings, but you can customize your settings here. I will skip this. Username in example, let be John. I don't want to set up a password, and click finish. Now just wait for Windows to finalize your settings. Let's wait for Windows to finish this. Okay, Windows restarted one more time. Again, don't press any button. And Windows is finished installation and installing apps. Now wait to log in to your PC. And this is it. This is how you install Windows 8.1 on a VirtualBox machine. It's fully working system, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it and this is make useful to you. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe for more videos.